Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna set the parking brake. That works. Start up our 63 C10. See, fuel gauge must work. It's cold right now. 18,825 on. See, there's the radio. And maybe the fan's on right there. I know the other day the fan was working. There it is. Horn works. Wipers work. That's a choke right there. So, neat old truck. Look, the indicator saying the lights are on. Runs like a watch. And a dome light bulb must be bad. Listen to that thing purr. Runs like a watch. Dimmer switch, probably a little sticky. There they are. Lights work. Got good tread on the tires. I know he replaced some tires. He just didn't drive it anymore. He's in mid 80s. Just ain't use it anymore. So nice, clean old truck. Really cool seeing them still original. 605-695-7391.